In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable captions on Zoom. If you want to make your Zoom meetings easier to follow, turning on captions is a great option. Captions can help you better understand what's being said, especially if the audio is unclear, if someone has a strong accent, or if you're joining the meeting from a noisy place. The good news is that Zoom makes this process very simple, and you can turn captions on in just a few clicks. To begin, make sure you're already inside an active Zoom meeting. Once the meeting window is open, look toward the bottom toolbar of the Zoom screen. This is where you'll find most of the meeting controls, like mute, camera, and chat. On that toolbar, click on More. Depending on your screen size or device, this option may appear as 3 dots. If you don't immediately see it, just take a second to check the full toolbar carefully. After you click More, a small menu will appear with extra settings and tools related to the meeting. In that menu, click on Show Captions. This will enable Zoom's caption display so that spoken words can begin appearing on your screen as text. If captions are available for the meeting, they should start showing up right away near the bottom of the meeting window. Once captions are turned on, the next step is to select your language. This is important because it helps Zoom display the captions in the language you prefer when that option is supported. Choose the language that best matches what you want to read on screen. Taking a moment to select the correct language can make the captions much more accurate and useful during the meeting. And that's it. Those are the steps to enable captions on Zoom. Just click More, choose Show Captions, and then select your language. If you use Zoom often for work, school, or online events, this is a helpful feature to get comfortable with. It can improve accessibility, reduce misunderstandings, and make meetings much easier to follow from start to finish. If the captions don't appear immediately, give Zoom a moment, since they may take a few seconds to begin. You may also need to make sure the meeting supports captions in the first place. But in most cases, once you follow these steps, you'll be ready to go. Thanks for watching, and I'll